Do I have a case if I got rear-ended on the Dolphin Expressway? The at-fault driver carries Florida state minimum, $10,000 PIP, $10,000 property damage, and zero bodily injury. My bills are $40,000.
Well, it really depends on when you hired an attorney for that one. Sounds like you haven't yet. You still might have a case, even though all those facts are geared toward the negative. Here's why. In Florida, you could have the option of purchasing something called underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. If you have that coverage on your policy, which I view to be the most important coverage that exists out there, it puts you in control of protecting yourself instead of relying on the other driver's insurance. You would still have a case in that scenario if you had the uninsured motorist coverage. Because of the rear end nature of the crash, the clear liability of the hit, it really is going to hinge on that uninsured motorist coverage or not. But I wouldn't give up hope just on those facts.
What about if I got T-boned at an Aventura intersection by a guy with a 250, 500 policy and a $2 million umbrella, and I needed neck surgery?
That's a good question. You still might have a case. It's going to hinge on facts that you didn't tell us. Why was it a T-bone? Who hit who from what angle? And obviously, if it's a T-bone, the likelihood is that someone thought they had the light, was trying to make it at the last minute. It's going to hinge on the liability of that case. We have many, many cases that are he said, she said, as far as the liability goes, but it depends on how comfortable we are with the specificity of those facts, who might have had the light, and other things that you can do to try and shore up a case like this is you can request the sequencing of the stop light footage to determine whether that is monitored at that intersection or whether it's randomized on sensors. That's something that you can request. You won't always get it, but it's still a maybe on that one.